How to log into Walgreens Employee Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Walgreens Employee Login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Scroll down, navigate to this one website option, walgreens.com. Open it. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily access your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your Walgreens Employee Portal. Now go ahead and fill this. Type in your email address. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on sign in, and just for that you will be logged into your account. In the case you haven't created your account yet, click on this option of create new account and register for your Walgreens account. Well, this is how you can easily log in into Walgreens Employee Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.